All right, how you doing today? Today we got another big list of deals, free plugins, new software that has come out. It is Black Friday month, I guess, because it used to be Black Friday. Now it's just all year, November, or all of November. Anyways, please do check out my last week's video too. 45 free plugins, huge discounts. This was last week's. There's a bunch of deals on there as well. If you missed it, there's still going on. But anyways, let's just get into this. We got some free drum kits. We got some free orchestra plugins, roughly 81 free plugins. I lost count. There were so many. Also, please do let me know what you think of this style of video. I've been doing it for a couple of weeks now. We're just do short, quick, here's this plugin, here's this plugin, rather than doing full videos. I still do full videos on plugins, but not every single one. There's so many of them, and there's so many deals. But anyways, let's check these out. Let's get into it. All right, so first up, we got a free one here for you, Glade, the Unearthed Orchestra, a complete cinematic writing instrument for Kontact player, available at no cost. There's 19 instruments with 4 different layers that you can blend together for all kind of crazy different things. It sounds amazing. You just press a key and it sounds pretty good. So check it out. We got another free one here from Spitfire Audio, Discover. This is a symphonic orchestra. 44 carefully curated instruments and ensembles, including strings, brass, woodwinds, percussion, harp, piano, and more. Some of the free plugins you could get with purchases at Plugin Boutique are Mixbox this week or Bloom Vocal Edit Lite. And a lot of my links are to Plugin Boutique, so you can check it out right from the links. ADSR Sounds is having a massive Black Friday sale as well, up to 90% off. Plugins, courses, and sample libraries. Way too many to mention in this video. And they also offer a free plugin with purchase as well. And this month they're actually offering 2 free plugins, Blur and Brass, $129 value. Blur is an effects plugin that transforms any sound to an atmospheric depth, and Brass is hard-hitting multi-layered brass VST. And then we got some really good deals on subscription services. Waves Ultimate Annual you get for $199, and there's a free plugin coming out on Black Friday as well. Or you could try Waves Essential for $119.99 for the first year as well. And then Eastwest Sounds is having their Black Friday sale, yearly Composer Cloud subscriptions for $99 for the first year. And if you're a student, you could get that for $49 for the year. And there's monthly plans available as well. And you can check out some of the other plugins here, 80% off some of these bundles and some other deals. And if you're a Mac user, check out SetApp. This is dozens of apps, one subscription. Normally they give a 7-day free trial. I have a 30-day free trial invite code, link in the description. This is from MacPaw, so you get Clean My Mac, you get VPNs, you get 250 plus other apps. Great for your Mac. And Native Instruments is offering 50% off upgrade bundles for upgrades to Complete 15 Ultimate, Collector's Edition, or Standard. Great time to update your Kontact library. And there's some good price drops on machine hardware as well. Sure, check those out. They come with some bundles too. And then iZotope, you can get up to 60% off. Just log into your account and check out the deals that are available to you depending on what software you own. So next up, we got a newbie here, Rewind. Backwards is the new forward. It's 87% off for the next 16 days from the time of making this video. A powerful granular sampler. You can select one of the 128 sound sources as your starting point. Then it destructs the sample into tiny fragments called grains and then plays them backwards. Check out Auto-Tune's Metamorph. This is a vocal changer. Throw your vocal track in, run through this plugin. It changes the voice to different voices. And Metamorph is 50% off until January 2nd here as well. And we have Resing Max and Resing that has been released by Alchemy Multimedia, another voice changing plugin here. You can get Resing Max for 25% off until November 17th and Resync 30% off until November 17th. So here's something that looks interesting. Layer It. This is a plugin that layers your samples, like kick drums, snares, hats, and more. That's also 50% off until November 30th. And if you're looking for some more drum samples, we got kick drum here. Have you tried this one? I haven't tried this one. It looks very interesting. Plugin dedicated just to kick drum. Might want to pair that with DC Snares, which is 40% off till November 30th, and Hatz, which is 80% off until November 20th. Just Add Drums is now on Plugin Boutique as well. They make a bunch of drum kits that sound like records, Nirvana and such. Check them out. Looks like the purified liquid death snare is still available for free. And then for Addictive drums, we also got a new expansion pack, hip hop and gospel. Toontrack has a bunch of new drums out as well. It is Metal Month there. The Drum Factory for Superior Drums 3. Infinite Grid for Easy Drummer and Superior Drummers 3. And they have some new stuff coming out. Looks like this might be an easy mix pack or something. And there's some other things coming out later this month. And then if you want a free drum kit, you get Drum Locker here. They have a bunch of kits on sale for $5 each. And you get a free 70s style super dry kit when you get started. It's free plug-in. And with the free kit, other packs are like $5. Kind of a no-brainer deals with these guys. Another freebie here is Geverb Free. They call it a gigantic reverberator plugin from supermassive structures to small ambience. Collective 2 is out. Sample-based diversity meets synthesis power. A new one from Rhoads, the Vari amp here, or Vari amp, I guess that's how you pronounce it. 21% off till December 5th. And tons of Black Friday deals on Plugin Boutique. We got the Slate Digital Mix 1 bundle, 50% off. You can build your own bundle of UAD plugins here. You get up to 10 plugins for $99 until November 30th. It is from a curated list of 50 different plugins. There also is a version for $49 where you get 10 plugins from a curated list from 30 plugins. Scalar Music is having their Black Friday sale up to 54% off till November 30th. Scalar 3 you can get for $69. I mentioned DC Snares earlier, and you can grab their Scalar EQ for $39. Get the RC20 and XO bundle for $109. Have Velocity's Black Friday sale up to 75% off. Excite Audio is having their Black Friday sale up to 72% off. I really like their Bloom Series stuff. It's rather wild. There's a bunch of deals at VST BUZZ as well. And these deals are rotating, so they may be different by the time you see this. And there's all kind of new deals at Audio Plugin Deals. These are also rotating different times, so check them out. Here's some more free stuff. The Berlin Free Orchestra. This is from Orchestra Tools, and they also have a bunch of other instruments you could download here. Tone wheel organ, free church organ, electric bass, free drums and percussion, a ukulele, studio percussion, strings, and more. So check those out. There's also new instruments for the Splice instrument that are free. And check out 9V Audio's 30,000 plus loop library for $30 until November 16th. Another new plugin here, Acoustifier by Solid State Logic. This plugin is designed for when you record direct from your acoustic guitar. Here's something that looks interesting, MidiBro, MIDI file browser and organizer. I haven't tried this one yet, but there's a demo you can check out. This is for easy MIDI file organization. Universal Audio has released Ocean Wave Studio Deluxe. And some more free sample libraries here for the Kontact player, Dreambox, Whispering Woodwinds, Delicate Strings, Celestial Voices, Pads, Brass. So check those ones out. And then some more free ones. This is an ever-growing collection of free sample libraries. We've got a thumb piano, brass, keys, cello, pianos, strings, and a lot more. And then we also have two more free Kontact instruments here. Free HD orchestra chords and sustained strings chords. Free cinematic synth-based instrument for film, TV, and game composers. So I guess that's 3 instruments you can get for free. Another freebie here, turn your voice into a MIDI controller with Pitch Perfect. With Drum GPT, you could create your own drum sample packs. There is a plugin, but you can also use the online version for free. For example, you just type what kit you want in here, and it'll create you a drum kit of that style. Pretty interesting. Another freebie here, Tape Filth, free cassette synth library for Kontact 8. Requires the full version of Kontact 8 for this one. Another free instrument here for you, Spectra Ambient Electronic Bliss. With 30 presets, we got drones, soundscapes, and effects, perfect for atmospheric compositions and deep sonic exploration. Lunacy Audio has released taps and portholes for their Beam instrument here. These are some crazy delays you can get with these effects here. Another free one here is this preamp. It's really cool. It's modeled after a Capitol Records preamp that they built back in the day. It's free for a limited time. And then we have an AI vocal system here from Canary Sounds. Free plugin. You can only get this one on Black Friday, but there'll be a link down there in the description to sign up for their email list, so you can grab that. There are 3 new synths from Ujam for their Usynth series. Webcore is Hyperpop and Digicore Essentials. Dust is Lo-Fi Dreams. And Vortex is Y2K Trance Essentials. Waves Alchemy has a new Lo-Fi Springs reverb as well. And the new expansion pack for their Triaz drum machine called DNA. Over 40 analog and digital drum machines captured, reshaped, and reimagined. This is over 350 presets with 17,000 drum samples. And this is available for the Triaz or the Triaz player. And for a limited time, you can get the Lo-Fi Springs free with this purchase. We got a free clipper here for a limited time, Knock Clipper, adjustable hard and soft clipping module. All right, so in this pack here, we got about 67 free plugins here. This is a plugin boutique as well. This is their best of VST plugin bundle. A lot of really cool stuff in here. Some highlights here with Ample Sound, Ample Guitar Lite. This is the Martin guitar. I have the full version of this. It's pretty awesome. Reverb plugin here called Ambience. Cherry Audio Synth. Blue Cat Audio's plugin bundle. A tube saturator. The Kilohertz Essentials. And a bunch more. All right, so there you go. Let me know what you think. Leave some comments down below. That is all for now. I will talk to you soon. So please do subscribe. Hit the notification bell to be notified of new videos coming out. You know all that stuff. Just, subscribe, notifications, whatever. I'll talk to you soon.